Hey there, drivers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Top Tech World, where we explore the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the world of dashcams, unveiling the top 5 best dashcams of 2024. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these dashcams are here to ensure your safety and peace of mind. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech reviews. Make sure to check out the dashcam links that are given in the description below. Let's hit the road. Number 5. Kenwood DRV800. The Kenwood DRV800 is a dashcam that offers a wide field of view, making it a great option for capturing everything that happens around your car. It also comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily track your location and share footage. One of the best features of the DRV800 is its 170-degree field of view. This wide angle allows the camera to capture footage of the road ahead, as well as the sides of the car. This is particularly helpful if you are involved in an accident, as it can provide valuable evidence to insurance companies and law enforcement. The DRV800 also comes with built-in GPS. This allows the camera to track your location and speed, which can be helpful if you need to file a police report or insurance claim. The GPS data can also be used to automatically adjust the time and date on the camera, which is a nice convenience feature. Another great feature of the DRV800 is its built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to easily connect the camera to your smartphone or tablet. Once connected, you can use the Kenwood DRV800 app to view live footage from the camera, as well as download and share recorded footage. Overall, the Kenwood DRV800 is a great dashcam that offers a wide range of features. Its wide field of view, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi make it a great choice for drivers who want a reliable and easy-to-use dashcam. Number 4. VFO A129 Pro Duo. The VFO A129 Pro Duo raises the bar for dual-lens dashcams, offering exceptional video quality and a comprehensive feature set. This review delves into its strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. The A129 Pro Duo boasts a front camera capturing crisp 4K footage, capturing every detail in stunning clarity. The rear camera records in full HD 1080p, providing a clear view of what's happening behind. Both cameras offer wide viewing angles, ensuring you capture everything on the road, from merging vehicles to sudden traffic changes. The A129 Pro Duo shines in low light conditions. Its Sony XMR sensor delivers clear footage even at night, crucial for capturing evidence in case of an accident. Features like night vision and parking mode provide additional peace of mind, knowing your car is under surveillance even after you park. Seamless loop recording ensures you never miss a critical moment. The A129 Pro Duo automatically overwrites older footage, ensuring continuous recording without the need for manual intervention. Transferring footage to your smartphone is a breeze with built-in Wi-Fi. The intuitive VFO app allows you to view live footage, download recordings, and manage settings directly from your phone. The A129 Pro Duo features a user-friendly interface, making setup and operation a breeze. The 2-inch screen provides clear visuals, and the buttons are well placed for easy navigation. Built-in GPS adds valuable data like location and speed to your recordings. This information can be helpful for insurance claims, police reports, or simply remembering your route. The A129 Pro Duo automatically enters parking mode when your vehicle is parked, providing security even when you're away. This feature detects motion and automatically starts recording, capturing any suspicious activity around your car. The A129 Pro Duo's compact design allows for discreet installation. The included adhesive mounts keep the cameras securely in place, and the sleek black design blends seamlessly with your car's interior. While the A129 Pro Duo lacks some advanced features like driver assistance, it excels at what truly matters: capturing high-quality video footage. Its focus on core functionalities makes it a reliable and robust choice for drivers seeking a no-nonsense dashcam. Number 3. Garmin Dashcam 67W. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a testament to the notion that good things come in small packages. Its compact design belies its impressive capabilities, capturing stunning 1440p video that rivals its larger counterparts. Whether you're a tech-savvy driver or someone who values simplicity, the 67W offers an experience that's both intuitive and rewarding. The 67W's diminutive size, just over 5 centimeters wide and 4 centimeters tall, allows it to blend seamlessly into your car's interior. Unlike bulkier models, it disappears behind the rearview mirror, remaining virtually invisible while still capturing everything happening on the road. This discreetness is especially appealing to drivers who prioritize aesthetics and dislike clutter on their windshield. Despite its compact size, the 67W doesn't compromise on image quality. It records stunning 1440p footage, capturing sharp details and vibrant colors even in low light conditions. The wide field of view ensures you never miss a critical detail, from license plates of passing vehicles to crucial road signs. This clarity is invaluable not only for capturing scenic drives, but also for providing evidence in case of an incident. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a well-rounded package that strikes a perfect balance between size, performance, and ease of use. Its compact design, intuitive interface, and superior image quality make it a compelling choice for any driver seeking a reliable and sophisticated dashcam. Whether you're a seasoned driver or simply looking for additional security on the road, the 67W offers an experience that's both discreet and impactful. Number 2. Thinkware U1000. The Thinkware U1000 stands at the pinnacle of dashcam technology, offering a complete package of high-resolution video capture, advanced features, and user-friendly design. Its 4K UHD front camera and 2K QHD rear camera deliver stunning clarity, capturing every detail on the road even in challenging lighting conditions. The wide viewing angles ensure you never miss a crucial moment, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Beyond its exceptional image quality, the U1000 boasts a wealth of features designed to enhance your driving experience and provide peace of mind. Super night vision technology ensures clear footage even at night, while parking mode automatically activates when your car is parked, safeguarding it from vandalism and hit-and-runs. The built-in GPS tracks your location and speed, adding valuable data to your recordings. The U1000's appeal extends beyond its technical prowess. Its sleek and compact design allows for discreet installation, maintaining your car's aesthetic. The 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen provides a clear view of footage and settings, while the intuitive interface makes setup and operation a breeze. Connectivity is another highlight. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to seamlessly transfer footage to your smartphone using the Thinkware Cloud app. This app allows you to view live footage, manage settings, and share recordings with ease. Additionally, the cloud storage option ensures your recordings are safe and accessible even if your car is damaged or stolen. The U1000's commitment to safety goes beyond its recording capabilities. Advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning and forward collision warning alert you to potential dangers, helping you avoid accidents. However, the U1000 doesn't come without its limitations. Its high-resolution recording capabilities demand ample storage space, requiring the purchase of additional microSD cards. Additionally, its advanced features come at a premium price, making it a significant investment. Number 1. BLACKB DR900X2CH. The BLACKB DR900X2CH sets a new standard for premium dashcams, capturing breathtaking 4K UHD footage on both its front and rear cameras. This ensures unparalleled clarity, capturing crucial details like license plates and road signs even in challenging lighting conditions. The wide field of view leaves no blind spots, providing a comprehensive overview of your surroundings for enhanced awareness and peace of mind. Beyond its exceptional image quality, the DR900X2CH boasts a wealth of smart features. Parking mode automatically activates when your car is parked, monitoring for potential incidents and recording any suspicious activity. The built-in GPS tracks your location and speed, adding valuable data to your recordings, proving beneficial for insurance claims or legal disputes. The DR900X2CH is not just a technical marvel, it's also user-friendly. Its sleek design allows for discreet installation, maintaining your car's aesthetic. The intuitive interface and clear 3-inch touchscreen display make setup and operation a breeze. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi and BLACKB's cloud service. Transferring footage to your smartphone for viewing, sharing, or downloading is effortless. The cloud service offers additional features like live viewing and remote access, allowing you to monitor your car from anywhere. The DR900X2CH goes beyond recording accidents, it helps prevent them. Advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning and forward collision warning provide real-time alerts, helping you avoid potential dangers and maintain safe driving practices. However, the DR900X2CH premium features come at a premium price. Its high-resolution recording demands ample storage space, requiring investment in additional microSD cards. The advanced features also add to the overall cost, making it a significant investment for some drivers. There you have it, drivers, our top 5 best dashcams of 2024. Each of these devices brings something special to the table, so be sure to check out the links in the description for more information. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drivers, and let us know in the comments which dashcam you're currently using or planning to get. Thanks for riding along, and until next time, drive safe.